Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel Pharma Dive. This channel is purely for educational purpose and aims to provide valuable information. So if you are ready to dive into the world of pharma, hit that subscribe button and join the journey. Let's explore, learn and gain together. Today's topic is in-process checks in pharmaceutical industry. In-process checks in pharmaceutical manufacturing are crucial real-time quality control tests performed during production to ensure products meet quality standards at every stage. These checks help identify and correct errors immediately, ensuring consistent product quality, process accuracy, and patient safety before final product is released. The objectives of in-process checks are to ensure consistent product quality and monitor critical process parameters throughout the manufacturing process. They help detect deviations early, allow immediate corrective actions, minimize product rejection and wastage, and ensure compliance with good manufacturing practices. The importance of in-process checks lies in their ability to provide real-time monitoring during manufacturing, helping detect abnormalities immediately and preventing the production of substandard batches. These checks ensure compliance with good manufacturing practices and pharmacopoeia standards while improving process efficiency by allowing corrective actions during production, thereby reducing rework, rejection, and wastage. They assure product will perform as expected. Vital activities included in in-process checks involve monitoring and verification of product attributes such as weight variation, fill weight, pH, hardness, dissolution, sealing quality check, integrity check, and particle size to ensure product quality during manufacturing. These checks also include verification of material details like material name, code, and control number, along with calibration and status verification of equipment and instruments. In-process checks also ensure cleanliness of the production area, proper line clearance, monitoring of environmental conditions such as temperature and humidity, and verification of status labels on areas and process containers. Additionally, they include monitoring time limits during manufacturing, checking yields at different production stages, reviewing batch records throughout the process, and establishing finished product standards to maintain GMP compliance and consistent product quality. In-process checks are carried out at different stages of tablet manufacturing to ensure quality and process controls. At dispensing stage, in-process checks include verification of raw materials and quantities, line clearance before dispensing, and checking material labels and batch numbers. At granulation stage, checks include monitoring moisture content, particle size distribution, bulk density, and flow properties. In-process checks during compression include monitoring tablet weight variation, hardness, thickness, and friability. Checks during coating involves monitoring weight gain, coating thickness, and tablet appearance and color uniformity to ensure consistent coating quality and product appearance. During manufacturing of capsules, in-process checks are performed to ensure accuracy and uniformity. These include raw material identification and quantity verification during dispensing, blend uniformity and powder flow property checks during blending, and capsule weight variation, lock length, closure integrity, and appearance checks during capsule filling. During manufacturing of liquid dosage forms, in-process checks are carried out at different stages to maintain product quality. The mixing stage includes pH measurement, viscosity checks, and temperature monitoring, while the filtration stage involves clarity and filter integrity testing. The filling stage includes fill volume checks and container sealing verification. During manufacturing of parenteral dosage forms, in-process checks are carried out at multiple stages to ensure sterility, accuracy, and product quality. These include raw material identification and quantity verification during dispensing, pH, drug concentration, and clarity checks during solution preparation, filter integrity and particulate monitoring during filtration, and fill volume, sealing integrity and particle monitoring during filling and sealing. During manufacturing of powder dosage form, in-process checks help ensure uniformity and proper flow characteristics. The mixing stage includes checking blend uniformity and particle size distribution, while filling stage includes weight variation checks and evaluation of powder flow properties. During manufacturing of semi-solid dosage forms such as creams, ointments, and gels, in-process checks are carried out at various stages to ensure product quality. During the mixing stage, homogeneity of the mixture and temperature are monitored. The emulsification stage includes viscosity measurement and uniform dispersion of ingredients, while the filling stage involves fill weight checks and tube sealing integrity testing. During aerosol manufacturing, in-process checks are performed at different stages to ensure product quality and performance. During emulsification preparation, viscosity and density are checked. The filling stage includes net content and leak testing, while wall crimping involves checking wall integrity and functionality. During ophthalmic manufacturing, in-process checks are performed at different stages to ensure product quality and safety. During solution preparation, pH measurement and clarity tests are conducted. During sterilization, temperature and pressure are monitored, while the filling stage includes fill volume checks and container closure integrity testing. Sampling procedure for in-process checks. Samples are collected at defined intervals during production using specified methods, techniques, and sampling instruments as per standard operating procedure. The samples are tested in quality control laboratory or in some cases at production in-process check area equipped with suitable instruments for in-process testing, and the results are documented in batch manufacturing record. The table below highlights the instruments commonly used during in-process checks of tablets, capsules, liquid dosage forms, and parenteral dosage forms. Different instruments used for in-process checks of powder dosage form, semi-solid dosage forms, aerosols, and ophthalmic preparations are mentioned in the given table. In-process checks in pharmaceutical manufacturing are performed according to various regulatory guidelines to ensure product quality, safety, and compliance. These include WHO Good Manufacturing Practices, US FDA guidelines, EMA guidelines, ICH guidelines, and Schedule M requirements under Indian pharmaceutical regulations. Several factors play a vital role in making in-process checks effective and efficient in pharmaceutical manufacturing. These include skilled operational personnel, proper staff training and management, well-controlled manufacturing processes, properly maintained equipment and instruments, a suitable production environment, and effective communication between departments to ensure consistent product quality and GMP compliance. Common challenges in in-process checks include sampling bias, means where only convenient or easy areas are checked instead of representative samples. Small sample size can lead to inaccurate decisions. Results arrive after the moment has passed. Other major challenges include human errors, data integrity issues, and inconsistent decision making, which can affect product quality, process reliability, and GMP compliance. Most important challenges during in-process checks include the need for specialized training to ensure accurate monitoring and the adaptation to new standards to maintain compliance with updated regulatory requirements. Conclusion. In-process checks are essential part of pharmaceutical manufacturing. From the receipt of raw material to the release of finished products for distribution or sale, they help identify lapses at an early stage. which can be corrected early during the manufacturing and packaging process. Thus, they help minimize material, cost, and time loss by reducing the number of process repetitions required. In-process checks ensure the quality, safety, and efficacy of medicines. Proper in-process checks also help pharmaceutical industries comply with regulatory requirements and maintain high quality standards. Thank you everyone for your valuable time and attention. If you like this presentation, then please like, share and subscribe my channel Pharma Dive. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask.